chi cydol Radio CAYB.
Radio CAYB.
Chi cydol Radio CAYB.
Hello and welcome to week 34 Radio CAYB.
Okay, so we hope you enjoyed last week's show, Don?
Yeah.
Where we interviewed Peter last week, didn't we, Don?
Yeah.
And Max? Yeah. And this week on the show, there's a surprise on the show this week, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
Isn't it, Max?
Yep.
Have to wait and see what the surprise is, don't we? And along with that, we also got our usual stuff this week, such as a mystery song, where we play 5 different songs from 5 different decades, and we'll have to guess which songs they are. Also, we got our history this week, and we don't know if it's going to be in video yet, or the history might be a surprise here, Don.
Yeah.
You'll have to wait and see for that. We also got Ethan, with his garage, and he's going to talk about that. And also we got the leaderboard as well, haven't we?
Yeah.
And have you noticed what this week's leaderboard is gone?
Famous landmark.
And this week's leaderboard is for famous landmarks, and we'll be telling you about that. Also, we got news from around the school as well, haven't we, Don?
Yeah.
And we got Max and Peter over here with their sports updates.
And our Paddy.
Yeah. And we also got Keon Jones as well. He's going to be bringing us his jokes. Isn't he gone?
Yeah.
We'll have to wait and see which jokes he has. Yeah, Max.
Yep.
And also we got our interview this week. And this week we're interviewing Don
Andy.
from Canolfan Addysg. And also we got, as I said before, there's a surprise guest here in the studio as well.
Yeah.
And you'll have to wait and see who he is. So our first song for today is gone.
And if we invite Abba.
And we hope you enjoy this one. And this is from Canolfan, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
And Canolfan have been requesting loads of songs, haven't they?
Yeah.
And this is Guns and Queen by Abba.
Young and sweet, only 17.
Dancing Queen by ABBA.
Thank you, Dylan. And now we are moving on to our mystery song for this week, where we play out 5 different songs from 5 different decades, and you have to guess which tune.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery voice. Mystery voice.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
Song number 3 for this week.
Song number 4 week.
Song number 5 this week. And our next song here now is Rockin' All Over the World by chreu'n.
This is the history. This is the history. That was Rocking All Over the World, status quo. So, usually, Dion and Dylan will do the history, but guess who's back? It's me. I'm back from older here, right, boys?
Yeah, welcome back, Osh.
Yeah. So
It's nice to see you, isn't it?
Yeah. So I'll try to do the history if I'm coming every week, but maybe some weeks it's bad days or good days. But don't worry, Dion and Dylan will do it, right?
Yeah, we will.
Good. This week I'll be going to the Menai Bridge all the way to Menai Bridge. To what bridge, Dion?
Menai Bridge.
Menai Bridge.
Yeah.
So, Britannia Bridge, is that right?
No.
Just joking.
Suspension bridge, yeah?
Suspension Bridge, is that? So, yeah, so it's Suspension Day Bridge in Menai Bridge. Right. So, that's what I'm doing the history for this week. Like I said, the Menai Bridge is officially known as the Menai Suspension Bridge. It's a suspension bridge that links the island of Anglesey to mainland Wales. It was designed by Thomas Telford and opened in 1826, become the world's first major suspension bridge. The bridge was a significant piece of engineering, its time reducing travel time between London and Holyhead. It's opened 1819 to 1826. Construction of the bridge took place with the official opening on January the 30th, 1826. Significance of the bridge was revelation for its time using a wrought iron chain. It suspended the roadway. Over the years, the bridge has undergone severe modification, including replacing the wooden deck with steel in 1893 and replacing the iron chair with steel ones between 1938 and 1940. Ongoing maintenance. In 1919, the bridge was closed for the few weeks to replace the road surface, and then restructured in 2005. It underwent a repainting project. Did you know that, boys?
No, we didn't.
Repainting
No, Max.
project.
No, go
No, I may. No, Peter, no?
on. No, Tristan.
Right, so you don't know this actually, even me. So all I say is, decades before the building of the other bridge, Britannia Bridge, the Menai Suspension Bridge had been completed, but this structure carried a road rather than track. There was no rail connection to Anglesey before its construction. Hold on. I do know that, so I do know that. Do you know, guys?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yeah.
I know the guy who would know that. Ethan.
Yes.
Of course he would know that.
Yes. Max,
Definitely.
Peter?
I definitely know that.
Yeah. Peter? Do you know that? Yes, no?
Tristan, do you know that?
I know it.
Tristan?
No what?
Do you know that?
At the Menai Suspension Bridge.
So I'll ask the question again. Decades before the building of Britannia Bridge, the Menai Suspension Bridge had been completed. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Do you actually?
You actually know it.
Do you actually know it?
Well, I've seen a picture of it. But
Yeah,
Yeah.
obviously. But have
Do
you?
you know it?
Do you know it? Before I said to you, it got built before the Menai Suspension Bridge, before the Britannia Bridge. Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes,
there's
right.
a picture of it beside the bridge. Just
Okay then.
history.
Oh well. It's okay. It's alright. You don't know the question, right?
Maybe Salomon or something. Peter.
So, anyway, let's back to this. I'm making it probably... well, I was doing it 3 minutes, but anyway, moving on. So, let's just do it a 5-minute clip, shall we? So, but this structure carried a road rather than track. There was no rail connection to Anglesey before its construction. So, all I say now, I'm not staying for long, because I'm not going to be staying for long for a few weeks now on the history, but all I say is, well done for the Britannia Bridge, but all I say, the other one, maybe I'll do it in September. September, I'll be talking about the Britannia Bridge, what gone on fire, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
And all I say now is, I just can't resist this, is my 9 and my Tide, but I haven't know him, has renting the house on Gwynedd side, and I have to be helping for the water because there's fire, yeah. So I think you know that, but it's very interesting. So the next song is Amy MacDonald. The song called Fire. Nothing to do with the Britannia Bridge, by the way. So Amy MacDonald by Fire. So hope you enjoy this, and I hope I'll see you next week. But I don't know yet. So maybe Dyma and Dylan will be doing this, maybe not. So I'll see you again, and welcome back for the history with Oshan. Goodbye.
You lit a candle in my heart. You said it'd never fade away. A little flicker at the start, now a full-blown flame. Every time I cry, every time I laugh, always by my side, through the good times or bad. Never thought that I would be the kind of girl to give it all away. Give it all away. Full-blown fire burning in my heart. I've got a little bit of what you are, and I've got the light, you've got the spark. We'll never be alone. You say you had to go away, and that the spark would never fade. There was so much left to say. This little candle burns away. Every time I smile, every time I frown, always by my side, through the up times and down. Never thought that I would be the kind of girl to give it all away. Give it all away. Full-blown fire burning in my heart. I've got a little bit of what you are, and I've got the light, you've got the spark. We'll never be alone. Full-blown fire burning in my heart. I've got a little bit of what you are, and I've got the light, you've got the spark. We'll never be alone. All the bad times fade to gray. There's nothing left for me to say. You give me hope. All the lights cut through the dark. You'll find your way back to my heart, and you'll be home. Full-blown fire burning in my heart. I've got a little bit of what you are, and I've got the light, you've got the spark. We'll never be alone. Full-blown fire burning in my heart. I've got a little bit of what you are, and I've got the light, you've got the spark. We'll never be
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan.
Welcome to Garge's What's New in Old Gauge for summer 2025. You may be thinking, but Ethan, you thought it was yearly. But guess what? I tweaked it a little to make it seasonally, not yearly, because it's not just Lionel we're after, but MTH, Atlas O, and even some Menards. Yes, Menards is a Wisconsin retailer in Wisconsin, doing no-gauge trains since last decade. We got a lot to cover, so let's get through them. First up, Lionel Trains 2025 Volume 2 catalog had debuted, which before it was sent to the Lionel Collectors Club of America to have a go look at. Featuring more Lionel trains for the 125th anniversary of when Joshua Lionel Cohen invented what is a very great looking train set. I'm waiting for those Pacifics recolored to look like the 400Es, and these Vision Line Hudsons recolored like the 600Es. Lionel, don't keep me waiting. Anyway, MTH Electric Trains will be producing their new 2025 Premier Free Rail O-Scale 19th Century 440 and 64-foot wet-sided passenger cars, available in 9 different paint schemes, with deliveries expected December 2025. And finally, Atlas O will stop using Lionel's TMCC and uses MTH's Protosound 3.0 instead. To them, out with the old, in with the new. And as a bonus, MTH will also be producing the new 2025 Premier Free Rail O-Scale GP35 diesel, available with some low and high hood configurations, available in many liveries such as Grand Trunk Western livery to Detroit, Toledo, and Ironton, CSX, Norfolk Southern, Conrail, and of course, Conway Scenic, and some other short line that I don't know the name of.
Okay, so unfortunately we can't have Streets of Philadelphia by Bruce Springsteen go on.
No.
This is due to copyright action that the silly YouTube is giving us. Get on. But instead we're going to play Lean on Me by Bill Withers. Hope you enjoy this.
Sometimes in our lives we all have pain, we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride if I have things you need to borrow, for no one can fill those of your needs that you won't let show. You just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till
Wall Street, Philadelphia by Bruce Springsteen.
Oh, Frank, we weren't expecting you on the radio show today, Osh. How are you?
I'm okay, yes, yeah.
So,
I'm okay, yeah.
we are now moving on to Kian's jokes now, aren't we? Go on.
Yeah.
So, we've got Kian here sitting in the studio with us. Hello, Kian.
Hi.
Are you ready to go some jokes with us?
Yeah.
And let's roll in.
What do you call a pig as a pianist?
Oh,
I don't know. Do you know?
No.
No.
Pig pianist.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why can't a worm borrow the wood apple?
I don't know.
Because he can't bite the wood. What did Susie A say to the bee?
Don't know, do you know what?
No, I don't know, do you?
You know, Tom?
No.
What's that, bee? What do you call a mermaid who lost his fins?
Don't know.
A human.
Human.
What did a pig see when he's horrified? What did a horrified pig see?
Don't know.
Bacon.
Bacon.
Where do mermaids wash their fins?
Don't know. Do you know, Tom?
Tide. What's the best way to watch the fish tournament?
What is it?
On a live stream. What did the drums set to the cymbal?
No.
Don't know.
But
Okay, is that all you got for us today? Okay, so thank you, Kian, for coming on with our jokes. And thank you, Wash, for helping us today.
Yeah, you're welcome.
We've got Coffee Gear coming up next by Gwrandewch and Fran, isn't it, awesome?
Yes, it is.
And we'll see you after this song. Take care.
Dwi angen coffi yn y bora I ddeffro llygu trwm So gai goffi yn y bora Fy men i'n teimlo'n llwm Dwi'n disgyn allan o'n ngwely Roedd y teciad maen yn sydd Ac o pac a ffres o goffi A'r ogl yn unwych Whoa, a coffee di, I did a coffee di, me a coffee di, cause we should coffee di, I did a coffee di, me coffee di, cause we should coffee di, woo, whoa, Yn hedio trwy y drws A mwg o goffi yn fy llaw Mae rai fi yfad yn y car Dwi fod yn gwaith erbyn naw Mae coffi yn fy ngwaith Am fod y mwg yn dod i'w ben Mae o'n cylchredeg at yn hau Ac yn carlafiad fy mhen O coffi di, I did a coffee di, me coffee di, cause we should coffee di, I did a coffee di, me coffee di, cause we should coffee di, woo, Dwi'n eistedd wrth fy ngwaith Mae'r effaith yn lleihau Yn bryd cael coffi arall I gadw dysglyd fi ar bar Yn hedio lawr I gegin gem Rai bo' na goffi gen ai ffydd O'n eich di goffi neu ddau arall Cyn mi weld diwedd y dydd Oh, a coffee di, I did a coffee di, me a coffee di, cause we should coffee di, did a coffee di, me a coffee di, cause we should coffee di, whoa, ben a dwi'n methu dod I law. Dwi'n troi a throsi yn fy ngwely o tydi cysgu ddim yn haw. Dwi'n gor'o deffro yn y bora, dwi'n gor'o mynd yn ôl i'n waith. Yn diolch byth gyn ei goffi I yfed ar y daith. Wow, a coffi du, a dyna coffi du I mi. Coffi du, cos dwi isio coffi du cryw. Coffi du, a dyna coffi du I mi. Coffi du, cos dwi isio coffi du cryw. Coffi du, oh, coffi du, coffi du. 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 Dyna coffi du I mi. Coffi du, coffi du. Coffi du, coffi du, coffi du. Dyna coffi du I mi. Coffi du, coffi du. Cos dwi isio coffi du cryw. Coffi du, dyna coffi du I mi. Coffi du, cos dwi isio coffi du cryw. Coffi du, dyna coffi du I mi. Coffi du, cos dwi isio coffi du cryw. Whoa.
Stop. Get it better. Yeah, we're gonna have to count in though, because Gast's gonna have to do his guitar.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So,
yeah, that, tree, put it. Yeah. She's got a banana. Yeah, that, tree, down.
Like, beat the next step.
Yeah, cool. Just dodge it around there.
Yeah.
Cool.
Good music, that sweet soul music, just long as it's swinging. Oh yeah, we out here on the floor, y'all. I go and do I go, dancing with the music. Oh yeah, spotlight on Lou Ross, y'all. I don't need look for y'all. Love the hurting thing, y'all. Oh yeah, spotlight on Sammy Day, y'all. Oh, don't it look great, y'all? Singing hold on out the combat. Oh yeah, spotlight on Wilson Pickett now. That wicked Pickett. Singing Rusty Sally. Oh yeah. Spotlight on Otis Ready now. Singing bam, 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 bam. Oh yeah, get it on this. Spotlight on James Brown, y'all. He the king of the roll, y'all. He the king of the roll, y'all. Oh yeah, do you like good music? That sweet soul music, just long as it's swinging. Oh yeah, I got to get the feeling. I got to get the feeling. Do you like good music? That sweet soul music, help me get the feeling.
The last song was Sweet Soul Music.
Right, Arthur Connolly, yeah, the one?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for that one. Now we are moving on to our news updates from around the school, yeah?
Yeah.
We got lots of stuff going on in the school this week, haven't we, Gone?
Yeah.
And we'll try to cover all the updates we got, yeah?
Yeah.
So our first update today is Ysgol Pendar, yeah, the one?
Yeah.
And other schools around Anglesey and Gwynedd came to our school today, didn't they?
Yeah.
They get to come and do an orchestra with us. There was loads of different instruments and stuff, wasn't there?
Yeah.
There was a violin, there was flutes, there was keyboards. There was loads of instruments there, wasn't there, Don?
Yeah.
We had a good time, didn't we? What's our second update going?
There was a gymnastics competition in the hall today.
Yeah, in our hall today there was a gymnastics competition, and a massive well done for everyone who took part in it, yeah, Don? And yeah. And also this Wednesday coming, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
There's going to be a leaver ceremony here in CAYB, isn't there?
Yeah.
Which 3 students are leaving?
Jack, Elliot and Corey.
We'd like to wish Jack, Elliot and Corey all the best for the future, and we will be broadcasting a special interview for Corey next week on the show. What we got?
Yeah.
About his future, yeah. And also, Youth Club will be getting new students in September as well, won't they, Gone?
Yeah. Thank you, Lacey, the helping in Cape.
In Cape Dye, yeah, Dawn?
Cape Dye.
And she's been helping Mrs. Kyle's class, hasn't she, Gone?
Yeah.
Can I show you? Which shop did they go to?
Lidl's.
They went to Lidl's, didn't they?
Yeah.
And yeah. Also, we've got rugby coming up, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
Every
Wednesday.
Yeah, every Wednesday, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
Between 3:15 and 4:15. If you want to join, it's free of charge. And you know the score, Dawn. The bad side of it.
Your parents have to be there.
Yes, sadly your parents have to be there with you. But we do have fun there, don't we, Dawn?
Yeah.
Don't we? So that's all your updates we got around the school today, isn't it, Dawn?
Yeah.
And also don't forget there's no youth club in the Jesse Hughes Centre in Holyhead this week. Because they finished now, haven't they?
Yeah.
Until normally it's the second week of September, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
Now, Dawn, can you give us a next song here for us, please?
Dick Love.
Right, Alison Moyer. Thank you, Dawn.
Speed myself to you.
guys who just heard there is This Love by Alison Moyer here on Radio CAYB.
Yeah.
We got the mystery song answers here for you now, and our leaderboard answers here, Don.
Yeah.
And our 16th song for this week was gone. Song number 1.
Bad Mood Lighting.
By Cregent's Clearwater Revival, and our 70th song was Let Your Love Flow by the Bellamy Brothers, and our 80th song was Max. By Kenny Loggins, yeah. And our 90th song was gone.
Sit Down by James.
And our naughty song was Hey There Delilah by the Playing White Seas. Moving on, we got our leaderboard answers for this week. And starting us off, we got Canolfan, and they got 3 out of 15. They need to try a bit better next time, don't they, go on?
Yeah.
And our next class, we've got Kate Sky, and they got 9 out of 15. Good job to Kate Sky, yeah, go on.
Yeah.
Yosh?
Yes.
Yeah, Max?
Yep.
Good job for Kate Sky. Doing that. Our next class is gone.
How about in?
And they've also got 9 out of 15. Good job. And our next class here, we've got Miss Who's from Kev, and she's got 9 out of 15 as well. Good job. Yeah, Don. Yeah, Max.
Yep.
And we also got. Now we're moving now a bit higher now with 10 out of 15 from Chreu'n. Yeah, Don. Good job, Chreu'n. And also 10 out of 15 for Camel Dyer as well. Good job as always, Camel Dyer. Mm-hmm. And moving on, 11 out of 15 now. We've done.
Referee.
Good job for getting 11 out of 15 this week. And we got 13 out of 15 for Chreu'n. Good job for them, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
So the winner for this week is
Dion, before we carry on, I think there has been some cheating this week.
Oh, yes.
Is it Cynradd Triba?
Yeah.
And the winners were 16 out of 16. But how have they got 16 out of 16 is the big question. And the answer is they've cheated.
Yeah.
So Cynradd Triba cheated by taking a picture of the answer sheet.
Yeah.
As you were taking things round. And bribing Dylan and Dion with some biscuits and sweets for the answers. As someone on the senior management team, I think Miss Greaves should be ashamed of herself.
Yeah.
And the rest of Cynradd Triba should be ashamed as well. And I think they should be banned from the picture quiz for next week. What do you think, boys?
Yeah. No sheet for Triba next week.
Diabolical. Disgraceful.
And the winner this week is Chreu'n.
So the winner this week is Chreu'n with 11 out of 15. Well done, Chreu'n.
Yeah. And me and Don would like to apologise for giving out the answers to Cynradd Triba, and no sheet for them next week. No, Don?
No.
And now we're moving on to our next song here now. Is Delilah by Tom Jones. Hope you enjoy this.
I saw the light on the night that I passed by her window. I saw the flickering shadows of love on her blind. She was my woman. As she deceived me, I watched and went out of my mind. See, that girl was no good for me, but I was lost like a slave that no man could free. At break of day when that man drove away, I was waiting. I crossed the street to her house and she opened the door. She stood there laughing. I felt the knife She stood there laughing. I felt the knife in my hand, and she laughed no more. My Delilah. Why, Delilah? So before they come to break down the door, forgive me, Delilah, I just couldn't take anymore. Forgive me, Delilah, I just couldn't take anymore.
This starts you, so I keep there's a little bit of cucumber so in this week the stock is the next F1's race the Stoner Stone tracker Ingus Ingus ago. It's Ingus
You say that then?
So we have one of the heroes. So England was just a song, and Wales was another game. It's a Saturday can fit the good tonight. So some guy singing for afternoon, and my brother was held the city, the 12th author, the first singer is our cover, the Chunky. I mean. We had very sad news. A king who gave the way of Liverpool and Wolves. And sadly, it dying into a car crash on Thursday. And died out his family and ring. And Man City are out also the World Cup. Well, one of the was tennis is great. So that's it, and start on this week. So after this, so set the guy to start the guy me here. It's the guy Kakamba.
And this Valley News. 41 Wedi'i Tesyn Tybydy Dwno Dagw Ebrydifad Wedi'i Ebrydifad 18 F400 Pittsburgh who's working our F Valley and look the Osprey, Hercules, Puma, Black Duck, Typhoon and a Booger airplane.
And then my heart went boom. Suddenly, and
this, and I was out of whack. All at once, there was no turning back. Oh, so far above the brightest star. Oh, soon you chase the day away. I knew the moon and stars came out to play. Soon you chase the day away. I knew the moon and stars came out to play. And then my whole wide world went so. I touched the rainbow as we went flying by. Faster and faster, we were higher than high. For once in my lifetime, I was finally free. And you gave that to me. Oh, soon you chase the day away. I knew the moon and stars came out to play. Oh, soon you chase the day away. I knew the moon and stars came out to play. Oh, soon you chase the day away.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
So you're listening to Radio CAYB, and we now got our interview for this week. This is week 34, and today in the studio we got Penny, who is in Canolfan Addysg. Hello, Penny. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good, thank you.
Good, thanks.
How long have you worked in CAYB?
It's nearly been 2 years.
Wow. 2
Nearly
years.
2 years.
We've been here longer, haven't we? Go on, and Ethan. Our second question we got here for you today is, what is the first album you ever bought?
Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran's good artist. Get
Yeah.
on, and Ethan.
What do you do in your spare time?
I go for walks or I watch a film.
Where do you go for your walks?
Where?
Yeah.
Anywhere on the island or to the beach or a footpath.
There are some good places here in North Wales, isn't there? Go on, and Ethan.
Yeah. Have you been to see any live artists?
I have been to see quite a few. I've been to see Ariana Grande, N-Dubs, 50 Cent, and I don't remember. There's quite a few.
Yeah. Would you rather a £1 million mansion, or would you rather a £1,000 car?
£1 million mansion.
Why would you choose a £1 million mansion?
Lots of room.
Yeah. What would you go for, Dawn?
Mansion.
A mansion. What about you, Ethan?
A mansion, so I could have all the Wythnos down the gauge trains I could put in there.
Oh, of
imaginable.
course. I would go for a mansion as well.
Where is your favourite place to go for food?
Sea Shanty in Trello Bay.
Oh, talking about sea shanty, we're going there soon, aren't we? Go on, Ethan.
Yeah.
We're going down last week of school.
Oh, nice.
On Monday, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is your favourite part about CAYB?
All the children.
Yeah.
And the staff. Lovely place.
We do a lot of stuff in the school, don't we?
Where is your favourite place to go on holiday?
Spain. Because it's nice and sunny.
Yeah.
Talking of Spain, we got Gibraltar, which is right next to it.
Yeah.
And Gibraltar is not very far from Spain, which means Spaniards can go from Spain to the UK without having to go out to sea.
Oh.
Oh, never knew that, no on.
What song do you want to end this week's show with?
Price tag, Jessie J.
Okay, so thank you, Penny, for coming on with us today.
Thank you.
And we'll end off our show today with Price Tag by Jessie J. We'll see you next week for week 35 of Radio CAYB. Take care for now.
Thank you.
Bye.
And we'll see you next week. Goodbye for now. So you're listening to Radio CAYB, and we now got our interview for this week. This is week 34, and today in the studio we got Penny, who is in Canolfan Addysg Y Bont. Hello, Penny. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good, thank you.
Good, thanks.
How long have you worked in CAYB?
It's nearly been 2 years.
Wow.
Nearly
2 years.
2 years.
We've been here longer, haven't we? Go on, Ethan. Our second question we've got here for you today is, what is the first album you ever bought?
Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran's good artist. Get on, and Ethan.
What do you do in your spare time?
I go for walks, or I watch a film.
Where do you go for your walks?
Where?
Yeah.
Anywhere on the island, or to the beach, or a footpath.
There are some good places here in North Wales, isn't there? Go on, and Ethan.
Yeah. Have you been to see any live artists?
I have been to see quite a few. I've been to see Ariana Grande, N-Dubs, 50 Cent, and I don't remember. There's quite a few.
Yeah. Would you rather a £1 million mansion, or would you rather a £1,000 car?
£1 million mansion.
Why would you choose a £1 million mansion?
Lots of room.
Yeah. What would you go for, Dawn?
A mansion.
A mansion. What about you, Ethan?
A mansion, so I could have all the Lionel standard gauge trains I could put in there.
Oh, of
imaginable.
course. I would go for a mansion as well.
Where is your favourite place to go for food?
Sea Shanty in Trevor Bay.
Oh, talking about sea shanty, we're going there soon, aren't we? Go on, Ethan.
Yeah.
We're going down last week of school.
Oh, nice.
On Monday, I think.
Yeah.
What is your favourite part about CAYB?
All the children.
Yeah.
And the staff. Lovely place.
We do a lot of stuff in the school, don't we?
Where is your favourite place to go on holiday?
Spain, because it's nice and sunny.
Yeah.
Talking of Spain, we got Gibraltar, which is right next to it.
Yeah.
And Gibraltar is not very far from Spain, which means Spaniards can go from Spain to the UK without having to go out to sea.
Oh.
Oh, never knew that, no on.
What song do you want to end this week's show with?
Price tag, Jessie J.
Okay, so thank you, Penny, for coming on with us today.
Thank you.
And we'll end off our show today with Price Tag by Jessie J. We'll see you next week for week 35 of Radio CAYB. Take care for now.
Thank you.
Bye.
And we'll see you next week. Goodbye for now.
Unfortunately, we can't have Breaker by Jessie J. Sorry, Penny.
Because Sony decided to block it for us. Didn't they, Dawn?
Yeah.
And Sony should be ashamed of themselves. And instead, we're going to have Tom Hark by the Pin Runners. So we hope you enjoyed this week's show, and take care for now, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
And we'll see you next week for week 35 of Radio CAYB. And there's a surprise next week, isn't it, Dawn?
Yeah.
So we'll see you all next week.
you cry, you have to live, or else you die. You have to laugh, or else you cry.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio CAYB, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye. Radio CAYB.